everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to repair a hole in your drywall strong enough to hold a curtain rod. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we'll be using a razor blade, a putty knife, and wood filler. The reason I like to use wood filler on this is because it actually hardens stronger than a regular joint compound or putty. So here's the hole that we're going to fix. The first thing we're going to do is take our razor blade and get all of this drywall paper off of there. So what I'm going to do is go right around it just a little bit. So that way when we peel it, it's not going to start running on us. The next thing I'm going to do is get down to the raw drywall by taking my knife, kind of just scraping it along there. And create a little bevel on that. Now we're going to get all the dust out of there by blowing on it. After that's done, we're going to take our wood filler and apply it to the hole. Now we'll use the putty knife and smooth it out. Now this is going to take a couple applications, that way we can make sure that it's all the way back in the hole and dries properly. Now we'll go ahead and let that dry. Take a real light sandpaper if you want to and run it right over it. If your curtain rod's going to cover it, you don't have to worry about maybe throw a little bit of paint on there. But after that dries, it'll be strong enough to go ahead to put a little screw in there and hold it into place. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck with this project.